how to log in to your account on MyHR. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log in to MyHR account. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser, and now here, once you're inside the web browser, simply click on the search bar and simply search for MyHR login. And now here, once you search for it, simply click on the first link on the result page, and after that you'll see the interface like this. So here, once you see the interface like this, simply click on the email text box and simply enter your email, and after that simply enter your password. And once you're done with that, simply click on login button, and after that you'll be signed in to your account. But here, just in case if you have ever forgotten your password, then you can just click on forget your password to reset your password. And that's it. That's how you can log in to account on MyHR. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.